if you're experiencing FPS drops in Minecraft, there are several adjustments you can make to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your game performance. Step 1. Adjust video settings. Open Minecraft and go to the Options menu, then select Video Settings. Lower the render distance, turn off fancy graphics, and set the particles to minimal. These changes can significantly improve performance. Step 2. Allocate more RAM. To allocate more RAM to Minecraft, open the Minecraft launcher, click on Installations, select your profile, and click More Options. In the JVM Arguments section, change the value f to XMX to allocate more memory, XMX12G for 2GB. Step 3. Install Optifine. Download and install Optifine, a Minecraft optimization mod. This mod allows for more detailed video settings and performance enhancements. After installation, launch Minecraft with the Optifine profile to access additional settings. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching Minecraft, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing Minecraft to run more smoothly. Step 5. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, to download and install the latest drivers. Updated drivers can improve performance and fix bugs. By following these steps, you should see a noticeable improvement in your Minecraft performance and a reduction in FPS drops. Enjoy your gaming.